Every year, millions of Americans miss out on thousands in free money simply by not taking full advantage of their employer's match. Let's start with the basics. A 401k is like a piggy bank, but instead of keeping coins for rainy days, it's where you stash your earnings to grow tax-free until retirement. Now here's the kicker. Many employers will match a portion of what you contribute. It's like your boss saying, "If you save $1, I'll throw in 50 cents extra." But here's the catch. If you don't contribute enough to get that match, it's like leaving money on the table. Literally free money. For example, if your employer matches 50% up to $3,000 and you make $1,000 contributions, you're missing out on a $2,000 match. So why do so many people miss this? Often because they think saving anything is too hard or they don't understand the details. But the math is simple. It's free money. To avoid this, check your 401k plan to see what match you qualify for and adjust your contributions accordingly. That $25, a paycheck could turn into $37.5 with the employer's contribution. Remember, this isn't personalized financial advice. It's just how 401k matches work, and taking full advantage can add up to a significant amount over time. Subscribe and uncover the simple money mechanics that can make a big difference in your future financial health. Don't let free money pass you by.